Previously on Born Again Motoring.
Okay, the next thing here, genuine Honda parts, of course. And voila, brand new valve cover. This is an 0405 valve cover. The one that's on there currently right now, though the car has 31,000 miles. The previous owner scratched up a little bit. I think they did some pressure washing on it and it made it a little flaky, so I wanted to get a new one, and 0405 valve covers are a little better. So I went with that, and because it is a 22-year-old car, brand new gasket. Time to finally get this valve cover replaced. I already actually started, but I remembered I needed to take a video, so I removed that bolt. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and replace this. I'm not gonna do an instructional on how to do so since they already exist, but this is more so for before and after purposes. See ya in a bit. The top cover is off. Look at this, beautiful, beautiful. Dual overhead cam. Here's the old one. The coil packs. Time to get the new one on. And here we go, as good as new. Now I just gotta see if the car starts up and ensure it's all sealed properly, but yeah, it's all done. It wasn't too bad. The hardest part of this install to me is ensuring the tube seals are around the spark plug tubes properly. You know, you can put oil around it to help, but that's the hardest part, and that's not even that hard. So wow, it's amazing what a new valve cover does for the engine bay. Let's see if she starts up. Moment of truth. Started without issue. No lights. Good to go. So I'm gonna let it warm up and then I'm gonna go take it for a test drive. But yeah, that should be it. Should be all good to go. Thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed already, go ahead, hit that subscribe button, like it if you did like it. I'll see you on the road.